Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Amiliashp women's tank top short jumpsuit on the market. This romper is a standout piece that combines comfort, style, and practicality all in one. Right off the bat, the fabric is a blend of polyester and spandex, making it incredibly soft and lightweight. This ensures the jumpsuit feels comfortable against your skin while giving you enough stretch for easy movement throughout the day. Whether you're lounging at home or heading out for a casual summer day, this romper adapts effortlessly. The design is simple yet trendy. Featuring a flattering V-neck and spaghetti straps, it gives off a chic and breezy vibe perfect for warm weather. The straps, while not adjustable, are designed to fit snugly and maintain the overall look of the jumpsuit. Its sleeveless cut and shorts length make it ideal for summer outings, beach vacations, or even a night out at a club. One of the great practical features of this jumpsuit is the inclusion of pockets. These add convenience without compromising the sleek silhouette. You can easily carry small essentials like your phone or keys without needing a bag. Sizing is something to consider here. The recommendation is to size up if you prefer a looser fit, as this romper tends to run on the smaller side. Checking the size chart before purchasing is a smart move to ensure you get the perfect fit for your body type. When it comes to care, this romper is quite low maintenance. Machine washable with a maximum wash temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, it's easy to keep fresh. Just hang it to dry and avoid bleach or tumble drying to maintain the fabric's quality over time. This romper is imported and is crafted with a focus on comfort and style. Its versatility means you can wear it as casual daywear, loungewear, or even dress it up with the right accessories for a party or date night. At a price point under $20, it offers great value for a trendy and comfortable piece that can be a staple in your summer wardrobe. If you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-wear jumpsuit with a stylish tie-dye pattern and practical pockets, the Amiliashp women's spaghetti strap V-neck tie-dye cami top shorts jumpsuit romper's one-piece catsuit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.